Yo, what's up? We back. We're back with another YouTube video. This was a little bit random, but basically I was running out of food, needed to go to the grocery store, but also wanted sushi at the same time. So, we're gonna make sushi today. Normally I'm in like a tank top or gym clothes. I even put on a shirt today for this video. Gotta give me some credit.
I thought I'd wear a shirt today.
But basically, the type of sushi we're making today is a Philadelphia roll. Philadelphia roll is pretty easy. There's only like 3 main ingredients. You basically got salmon, you got cream cheese, and you got cucumber. That's like the 3 main ingredients in a Philadelphia roll. I wanted to kind of substitute out the cucumber for avocado, but the avocados weren't ripe at the store. So we're gonna stick to the original recipe, make a normal Philadelphia roll. So one of the main reasons we're making the Philadelphia roll is because originally I was born in Philadelphia. The origins of the Philadelphia roll, it has 3 main names these days. First, its proper name, the Philadelphia roll, what most people call it. If you're hood and gangster, sometimes you might call it the Philly roll. If you've been watching a lot of politics lately, you might call it Bad Things Happen in Philadelphia roll.
Bad things happen in Philadelphia.
So 3 different names to go by, all the same thing, all the same ingredients. So enough talking. Basically, I have all the ingredients prepped already. I'm going to show you guys in a second here. And we're going to jump right into making the roll. It's quick, it's easy, shouldn't be a problem. But, who knows? We'll see. So the first thing you want to do is take your seaweed and you want to put the shiny side down. You want to leave the rough side on the top. After that, you want to put the rice all over the seaweed here. You got to cover it pretty good. You gotta take your time with this stuff, you know, you don't want to rush it. You don't want to put too much, you don't want to put too less. You gotta put just enough to cover it all. So once you get the rice down, next thing you want to do is just layer on your ingredients. So first we're going to put on the salmon. Next we'll put on the cream cheese here. And then after that, we'll put on the cucumber. And then from there, you just want to roll it up. Pull it back, roll it. You want to use the mat. And give it a good squeeze. And voila, there it is. It's a pretty thick boy though, it's almost like a burrito. And we're just gonna make a couple more here. Once you're done making your roll, you just want to cut it into pieces. Since we made pretty big burritos here, big pieces of sushi, you know, typically you can cut it into 6 pieces or 8 pieces. You know, we're gonna cut it into 8 pieces just because these sushi rolls are so big. So cut it down the middle. And then from there, you just want to plate it on your plate. After that, you just want to keep on cutting all the rolls. Once you cut it, you just want to plate it. Probably going to leave the end pieces off into a separate plate. We're just going to keep cutting. So we're probably just going to leave the end pieces off and eat them on the side. So we're done making the sushi, you know, now's the best part. We're gonna go taste test it, you know? So we're gonna go head over to the lab and we're gonna go try it out, see how it is. All right, see you guys in a sec. Just a side note, you know, I'm not a professional chef. I never was on MasterChef, I never was on Hell's Kitchen, you know, none of those shows. You know, I just grew up, you know, watching a whole bunch of cooking shows when I used to go to my grandmom's house, you know, so, you know, kind of got me interested in cooking, but, you know, I think I'm an okay chef, but you never know. So, yeah, on to the taste test. Also, it's not like the first time I ever made sushi before. You know, I made this many times, but not in particular. You know, this is the first time I'm making a Philadelphia roll. You know, so basically, yeah, Philly roll, first time. We'll see how it is. All right, we're back at the lab, aka the dining room. You know, this dining room probably only ate at this table like one time. It's probably like for Chinese New Year, like years ago. But besides that, we never used this table, you know, so might as well make some use out of it today. So what we're gonna drink with our sushi is basically we're gonna have this Hennessy, you know, nice portion size, you know, perfect for the occasion. Psych, nah.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
What we're really gonna have is this kombucha stuff. You know, I never even had this before, so we're probably gonna just give it a try. You know, hopefully it's good. Give it a quick taste. It's pretty good, pretty acidic. But on to the main event. We're gonna taste test the sushi we made, and we're gonna rate it from 0 to 10 based on the taste, and everything like that. So what we're gonna call it, it's gonna be on the first time scale, so FTS for short. So let's give this a go and see how it is. Should probably try it without the wasabi and soy sauce first. So let me try this piece.
It's cold and raw. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I am done. Get out. Get out.
Nah, just kidding, just kidding. It's not too bad, Tastes like what it should taste like. Gotta try another piece. It's much better. Tastes much better with the soy sauce and wasabi. Let's try one more piece before I give it a rate. So my thoughts on the first time scale, I would rate this out of 0 out of 10. I'll give it an 8. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't taste like a professional chef made it, but still doesn't taste too bad. The only main complaint I had was that maybe the pieces were cut a little bit big, but besides that, it's not too bad. So yeah. If you guys like the video, please like the video. If you guys want to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And if you have suggestions of other first times you want to see me do next, please leave them down in the comments below. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.